In this lesson, we will learn how to freeze rows and columns and how to split a window inside Excel. When do we want to freeze a row or a column? We have a large set of data in this example, and when we scroll down, we don't see the top row, the heading row of our document. We can use this option Freeze Rows to freeze the first row inside Excel. How do we do that? We can go to the View tab and then choose the option Freeze Panes. When we click this option, we have three more options to freeze panes: Freeze Top Row or Freeze the first column. If I select the option Freeze Top Row, my first row will be frozen when other rows are moving. Sometimes we do not want to freeze only the first row. We can freeze as many rows as we want. Firstly, to unfreeze the rows, we can choose the option Unfreeze Panes. And for example, if we want to freeze the first two rows, we can click on the third row, select the whole row, and then choose the option Freeze Panes. This will freeze our first two rows. Other rows will be free to move. The same option works for columns inside Excel. Sometimes we don't want to freeze row, we want to split a window. Firstly, I will unfreeze those panes and then show you the options to split a window inside Excel. The difference between freezing panes and splitting the window is that when you split a window, you can move with this option inside Excel. I will split the first row and these two columns by selecting the cell that is under my first row and to the right of my two columns. And then I can use the options Split to split my window. Now I have two navigation panes to move across my data, both horizontally and vertically.